Should I get a dog?
No! No!
Do it.
How about we just like...
What? Don't tell me he's in it.
Hey, what's up?
Should I get a dog?
Не надо... Ты...
Great. Big ol' eyes. Oh!
You going on a ride? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean.
Get down from the fridge right now. Stop it!
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
Stop!
attention, but you're just gonna hiss at me. Okay.
And every time it...
No. No. Go put it away.
Tres.
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
Your demise.
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
You gonna do some dancing for?
Vậy bạn ơi.
abusing his office for his personal political gain here, trying to pressure this...
In, and then you lay it on.
Here, kitty. You can has cheeseburger.
Go.
Tamam. Bugün yarın tamam. Hafta
Her şeycik yemiş.
Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Oh my. Zoe.
No! You're not supposed to leave!
What are you doing?
It's gonna be hot.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Oh, she really stuck.
Ugh. Brother, ugh.
Otherwise, you're not gonna have enough height.
Evet anneciğim.
Yeah.
Кто доберман? Кто?
Show me your toe. What's the big deal? What are you hiding?
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
That's a big one. Oh.
Zeus!
She was so entertained.
No. No.
Under arrest.
Oh, it's cold.
Holy
I'm a snake. I'm a snake.